Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen chopping and shredding vegetables? Do you wish there was an easier way to prepare healthy meals for you and your family? If so, then the Presto Salad Shooter Electric is the kitchen tool you've been looking for. This innovative device makes it easy to prepare fruits and vegetables for salads, soups, casseroles, and more. Using the Presto Salad Shooter Electric is simple. Just attach the appropriate cone to the machine, load up your vegetables, and turn it on. The salad shooter will quickly and efficiently chop, slice, or shred your vegetables, saving you time and effort. And with its compact size and easy-to-clean design, the salad shooter is a convenient addition to any kitchen. One of the best things about the Presto Salad Shooter Electric is its versatility. You can use it to prepare a wide variety of dishes, from simple salads to more complex recipes like casseroles and soups. And because it's so easy to use, you'll be able to prepare these meals in no time at all. So whether you're a busy parent looking to simplify meal prep or just someone who wants to make healthy eating more convenient, the Presto Salad Shooter Electric is the perfect tool for you. With its easy-to-use design, versatile functionality, and compact size, it's a must-have addition to any kitchen. Thanks for watching our video on how to make meal prep easy with the Presto Salad Shooter Electric. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.